Hello to everybody. We are inside the Elenos production department. My name is Giulio Bussolari.
My name is Lorenzo.
And now we want to show you how to set up the Elenos RDS. Now we go to see where is connected the Elenos RDS to this ATG 500 watt. Please, come. Now we have to connect the RDS cable to the serial port of the PC. Please. Now Lorenzo will show us how to set up the internal RDS of the Elenos transmitter. The first step is open Tiny RDS, that is the program dedicated to the Elenos internal RDS. In the field default PS, you have to put the name of the radio. In the PI is the program identification number. You have to put the identification number of any radio. After that, you can decide which kind of program type you want to transmit, for example, cultural program. Or if you prefer to transmit the music or speech program. Here in alternative frequency, you can put the main frequency or the alternative frequencies of your radio. If you want, together with the name of the radio, you can put another message that can be signed, transmitted in any radio receiver. Here we have put World Broadcast Experience, so with this message the radio listening can see not only the name of the radio but even another message that can be the brand message of the radio. When you have compiled all the different fields in the right way, you have to push send, store and read. After that the process is done. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon.